gently. Not that many. You've got 4 tables left, yes?
Right, OK, Chef.
Slice this one a little bit thicker.
Put them on there.
Nicely,
How much
yes?
do you want?
Really nicely.
How many we doing?
Stop, please. Stop, please. Stop. You just say nothing until I say. I want to see them, yes? Let's go. Right, Lindsay.
Yes, Chef.
Are you happy with those?
I'm very happy, Chef.
So you should be.
Thank
Check
you.
it. Let's go. Judith.
Yes, Chef.
Is that right? When you celebrated your 60th birthday, you ran your first mini triathlon?
I did.
Well done, my
Go,
guy.
go, Jude.
I did.
Judith, what's harder, that or this?
This.
Let's go, guys. Last 2 tables, yes?
Are those in the oven, Ken?
They're in the oven, Liz.
Well
please,
done,
yeah,
very much,
6
Ken.
hours. Come on, Kenny.
You can do it. We're nearly there. We can get 50 out easily. How long are those monkfish in the oven now, Ken? Potatoes are nearly ready.
I don't know how long it takes.
OK, hold on. Here's the thing. I only asked for 1 table, yes? They're doing a 5, you got a 6.
I've got... No, you asked me for a 5 and a 6, 11. Do you remember you taught me how to do maths?
Yeah, no, we sent them. That's right.
No, that was an old one.
No. Look what's on the board.
Kenny, don't argue with Gordon. Shut it.
Yeah,
Get on with
you
it.
can't think that far.
There's nothing in the oven at the moment. Oh, yes, there is. Yes, there is. Yes, there is. Yes, there is. Yes. I got
Fuck me. What's in the oven?
fish. Is it? Gordon, sir.
Sorry.
OK, good. Go. Table 11, please.
Come on, guys.
Judith, my darling, what's it like having fucking Frank Spencer as a son-in-law?
He's
Holy
brilliant.
crap.
He is brilliant.
Yeah? Bless. Go, please. Go, go, go.
Oh, well done,
Jesus
thank you.
Christ. Well done.
Well done, everyone.
Well done.
Nice one.
Too many cooks.
Oh, my God.
Yay!
Fantastic. Well done. Fucking hell, Kitty. Right, how are we, guys?
Very good.
Nice to see you. Yeah, very well indeed, thank you. Who wasn't happy with the main course?
Me and my friend here.
Tell me what you thought about it.
Potatoes,
Yeah.
2 of them were fine. I know
Yes.
you need a bit of texture, I think, that, you know,
Yeah.
with the monkfish, but I think 2 of them were a little bit underdone and they were quite hard. I don't know why that was.
Damn. Potatoes hard, monkfish, how did you find that?
Lovely.
Monkfish, perfect.
However, I would have liked it a bit spicier.
A bit spicy?
Yeah, yeah.
What about the citrus vinaigrette? How was that with the monkfish?
That was perfect.
Here's what bugs me, yes? All your mates are here, yes? They've all got shirts and ties on. You've got one, and you look like the sack of shit. Do me a favour, don't pay for it, get yourself a new fucking shirt, yes? Gentlemen, I hope you enjoy the dessert, yes? And stay off the fucking sunbed.
It's tender, it's tasty, it's really... Oh, it's just absolutely beautiful. The flavours really complement each other really well.
OK, results, yes, for main
Yes.
course. Here we go. Jose. OK, right, in here are the numbers. Kenny, how do you think we did?
Quite well, I think.
Quite well. Linz?
I'm going to be brave enough to say 45.
45?
Yes.
I love the confidence in those eyes. Woo!
Come on.
OK, the number of diners, yeah, they're willing to pay for the main course is...
Come on.
Oh, damn. 45 out of 50! Yay! That's great! Really well done, yes? Hey, seriously, 45 out of 50. That's not perfect, but it is
No, it's perfect.
fucking good. Well done. Let's get 50 out of 50, yes, OK,
Try our
for
best.
dessert.
Yes.
Yes?
Come on.
OK.
Yes, Chef.